Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faeez bin Muhammad Fuad, and today I will be presenting to you about the Lab 4 Advanced Lab for MEM360. So for this is the part that I have to do for the part 1 and the part 2. For the part 1, the process is milling, and the part 2, the process is turning. And I will explain to you for the part milling. I will explain about the number 5 rough contour. So for this for the part 5 run rough mill contour, for the cutting tool is ball nose and end mill. Description: MRF 16520-160. So no of insert is 1. Size of DC dimension is 60. So LF 160, LH 65. So for the cutting material is carbide. Cutting speed is 107, and millimeter 16. Machine max is 6000. Cutting edge is 14. Spindle speed is 2130. Chip load 0.296, and the feed rate is 204. So for the estimate time for the part 5 is 180 per 204. So I got 0.88. So this is my illustration for this part. So for this part 2 is the center drill. The cutting tool is center bit drill, HSS. The equation is nothing. No of insert is 2. And for the cutter material is HSS. Cutting speed 61, and mill diameter is 112. Machine max is 6000. Cutting edge is 2. Spindle speed is 460. Chip load is 0.264, and the feed rate is 244. So 5 over feed rate, and 5 over the feed rate is 244. So the time estimate is 0.02. So this is my illustration for this part. So let's go into the part 2 turning. For the part 2 turning, I will explain about rough face for the part number 3. So for the holder, tool indexable holder right side with the offset. So for the cutting tool is turning insert offset, turning insert carbide, cutting tool trapezium. Application is dynamic bar copying. Boring bar type is ESDUCA. Size is 32. So for the cutter material is carbide. Cutting speed is 244. Workpiece diameter is 65. Machine max is 6000. Cutting edge is 1. Spindle speed is 1190. Chip load is 0.5 to 1. and the failure is 6 to 2. So the diameter is 80. For the time estimate, diameter is 80 per 6 to 2. So I got 0.29. So this is the graphic illustration for this part, for the turning part. So that's all from me. Thank you.